You can give them food.
Ngoba nabantu bayizilima bayathatha mahhala. Hawe bayabulala bukani, babulala abantu, bamukelisa ama-drink. Babulala abantu bukani. Bafa abantu amakula awishembe. Hawe abantu sukanini kuba kumukeliswa abantu. Abantu bayafa bayathatha nabo. Bayahamba bayaqeda. Hawe nina hayi angifuni hayi angifuni mina
ngiyahamba bafana bami ngiyanicela
nibulala abantu la senihamba hawe bazofa behleka ubuke bahleka
bayahamba ngithi
Ethembani awubayitshenthe abaphuze labo bantu kodwa abaphuze oyi-1 kodwa akaphuze kodwa uwaphethe uwasaphi kodwa uwaphethe eyilabo mama athathe hawe yona my friend didn't bulala abantu.
To illegal foreigners in SA, please don't listen to our government, ne? Don't listen to those people. They are staying in high walls. VIP protection, bodyguards, helicopter, blue light, Eye of Africa, Waterfall, Hydro Park, Hyde Park, Sentin, Rosebank, Melrose, ne? Bona ba safe la behlala khona. They are safe. CCTV camera, alarm, panic button, ne? Bona ba safe la behlala khona, ne? So, it is you who's going to face an angry community. You're staying in Alex. People, they know that you're from Mozambique. You don't have papers. You are a welder. So, the government is not going to send an SAPS who's going to stand by the gate 24/7. It is you who's going to face the mob. It is you who's going to face an angry community in Alex, Tembisa, Umlazi, Ntontoni. It is you who owns a shop in CBD. Please do not listen to them. Please. South African citizens are very angry. uRamaphosa ufake upetroli emlilweni. For him to spend 600 million to protect illegal foreigners wenze izinto zaba worse. Yazi maybe bengafanele leso statement siphume, bekufanele kubonakale ngamaphoyisa nje segcwele umgwaqo. Leso statement siphume sakhomba ukuthi kushuthi abantu bahluke beshibhekiswa ngamasibomu. Thina uyaphela u3 days singenawo amanzi. Uyaphela u3 days singenawo ugesi. Ingane zethu ayisebenzi, ingane zethu ama graduates kodwa ayisebenzi ihlele emakhaya. Uma siya esibhedlela thina kuthiwa odokotela bayashoda. Kuthiwa odokotela bayashoda. Kodwa kuno 600 million okhishwayo ukuze ku-protect ama illegal foreigners. Niyabona ukuthi ugovernment wethu uyena ofake usawoti esilondeni. Ekubeni sisaxakwe imadlanga ukuthi we are paying tax every month. Kunabantu abavele badle nje u300 million i-tax yethu. Sisadinwe iloko nje ukuthi kunabantu abavele badla imali engaka, imali yethe tax. Kunabantu abanemizi ewu17. Kunabantu abathatha imali yama taxpayers bathenga ama Lamborghini, bathenga ama Ferrari. Kunabantu abathola ithenda lokuthi bathenge imshini yesibhedlela bangayithengi. That 600 millions ikhombise lento engihleze ngisho ukuthi yazini thina indlela esikhokha ngayo i-tax vele we supposed to be in the level of a first world country. Thina sikwi level yokuba i-first world country. But akhambi kanjalo. Akunjalo. Ngoba abantu badla imali, imali zo-upgrade ikole, zokulungisa imigwaqo. Uyazi ukuthi kuneyindawo in KZN ema-farm abasahamba umgwaqweni wobhuqu. Mase kuthiwa 40 years of ANC Ntontoni, 40 years ye-freedom, 40 years ye-Ntontoni, 40 years ye-democracy, 40 years yakagogo. Kodwa emakhaya kunemizi engenayo i-running water. Running water, cabanga into ebaluleke kangaka. Running water, there is no running water, there is no electricity, there is no tie road, but there is 600 million wokuthi kuprotectwe ama illegal foreigners. South African citizens are very angry, and the frustration yabo bazoyikhiphela kunina nkosi yami. Uma kuthiwe ngomhla ka-30, umhla ka-30 kusasa, wena uhlala ethembisa wena. Kuzovele kuvuka omakhelwane bakho nje bavuka nje bomvu bangqongqisa umjondolo wakho uzothini? Uzobeka uphi uRamaphosa? Uzobe ngekho. We don't want to hear stories ukuthi ubani ushisiwe ngoba nakho ungayena walana. Yabo njengoba isiqalile lento. Yabo nje bisiqalile kwathiwa hambani. Guys, do yourself a favor. Uhambe ngempela mngani wami. When it's time for you to come back nizobuya, I will stand up for you. Guys, ngiyaphakamisa isandla. I will stand up for you. Uma izinto sezi-right, I will stand up for you guys. Nizobuya. Nizobuya. Vele kunemsebenzi thina singeke siyenze. It is reserved for foreigners. Thina ngeke siyenze leyo msebenzi. Thina we need mining. Thina sidinga imsebenzi nama payslip. Uyayizwa lento engishoyo? Sizonibiza sithi wozani. We want to deal with our government manje. Siklina i-country, sisusa corruption. Izolo bengine video Nigerian lithi they don't want to go home because there's tribalism and corruption. Ne? Okay, tribalism, there has nothing to do with the government. But corruption, it's something abangayifighta bona. It's something abangayifighta bona. Bayilwe, bahlangane, baxoshe ugovernment, bafele baxoshe upresident, baxoshe upresident loyo ahambe ukuze bona baphile kahle. Kanti icabinet yabi nabantu abangakanani? Bona bama-citizens banabantu abangakanani? Bangakanani abantu babo bona? Why fanele bahlulwe abantu becabinet abantu abawu-200? Akwazi ukuthi ngaba njalo. They just don't want to fix their country. Angibazi ukuthi basabani. Basabani. And Tina, if we don't fix this country, we're going to end up going door to door, nathi go Europe, senzeni. Guys, asinxoshi, especially to our neighboring countries. Guys, you are our neighbors, ne? You've helped us during apartheid, right? Asinxoshi, it's us who are supposed to help you. But at this point, we are also having a crisis. Just give us time to deal with our government. Let us change things. Then in Izubuya, eventually we need you. It is you who are buying amaphathe imoto. Somehow there's a relationship. Kodwa sinikezeni isikhathi to fix the country. If usingayifix manje, nathi sohambe sinqonqoza ko-Italy sifuna ukuba wonini nama-degree. Nani lento niyibonile isaqala kuma-countries enu niyayiyeka yaze ya-escalator. Ya-escalator naze nafika kwi-point ukuthi sekufanele nihambe ninqonqoza-ke manje ko-South Africa niyaxoshwa. Hey, yimbi lento eyenzakalayo. Akekho nje umuntu odeserve lento eyenzela kunina vele ukuthi usuyaxoshwa ke manje usutotazela nezipontshi uphuma uyangena amadada kuzele nezingane amadada yakulandela nilambile niyaphakela oBriana Masulumane. Guys, akekho umuntu odeserve lento eyenzakalayo. But ke sizothina ayikho into soyisho. I-MK yaChris Hani yasebenza kanzima ukuze thina siphile kahle. Salahlekelwa obhuti bethu nomalume bethu. You understand? Vele during apartheid abanye babeyingayingena abanye babeyingena. Yayizwa lonto. Mina mangase ungithatha uyongibeka kwi-podcast uthi angikhulume nge-MK yaChris Hani. Ngingakukhuluma nge-MK yaChris Hani ngazi kuzokube yinini. Kungaba ama-episode awu-14. Ngingenza ngisho i-series mina. Ngokuthi MK yayilwela kanjani le country. I was there. Ngisakhumbula yonke into njengayizolo, ama-jokes alabo malume, intontoni yalabo malume. Labo malume ababhalwe lapha eMlazi nje ngibazi ngoba ngizazi. Makuthiwa uNtonto Zulu lo mgwaqo osuke eKings Wellington Stadium ye-B3, ngingakutshela ngomalume Ntonto mina. Tshela uphaqa ayewugqoka, ngitshela ama-joke akhe. Abongcede, abommeleni, abontontoni. Lawo ma-comrade lawo ngiyawazi, ngikhumbula yonke into ngawo. Basebenza kanzima.
The 30th of June is a small step. And for those of you who think it's going to be a big thing, there's more going to come. So on the 30th of June, we are doing what we need to do to find a solution. When something in your world doesn't work, it doesn't matter what it is, and you try different things and they don't work, you try something else and you keep trying something else until it works and your solution comes to fruition, which is exactly what's happening with March on March and everybody else involved. This is what we believe is a solution to illegal immigration. And I don't know who else is out there that's got any other solutions. Our government hasn't got a solution. So we're doing what we think is the solution. And the solution is for the South African people to stand up, rise up, and speak out against our government and against illegal immigration. We can't have people coming in across our borders and flouting our laws. South Africa for South Africans. So in the absence of a solution, I don't know if we can continue for the next however many generations on the same path that we're currently traveling on, because we are traveling on a path that's bumpy and we're about to drive off a cliff, metaphorically speaking. So think carefully, where would we be if it was not for the likes of Jacinta Ngubesi Zuma and Pakelo Tagati and his guys, and the millions of South Africans who support March on March, and Operation Dudula and others who are working behind the scenes. South Africans, we've got to keep this momentum going. We can't get complacent as South Africans, because that's what the government's expecting, complacency. And they have suppressed us by feeding us all their plans that they have for fixing the country. They've got plans. There's a 5-point plan, a 10-point plan. They've got a warehouse full of plans. None of them have been implemented successfully. So what solution do we have? The solution is for South Africans to govern. I'm talking about the people shall govern, one of the ANC slogans in the early days of democracy. And so we shall govern, and we will speak out, because that's what democracy is. It's speaking out and crying out for help from the government, and they haven't heard our concerns. And I'm not only speaking to the ANC, I'm speaking to the Government of National Unity, the ANC, the DA, the PA, the EFF, and everybody else who's jumped into the metaphorical bed with each other to try and make this country work. And it hasn't. The Government of National Unity is a non-event for me. And we don't have solutions. So all I'm asking is for us all to try and find a solution together as South Africans. And please don't come on my page and post comments, "Oh, Mlungu, when are you leaving to Europe?" It's so tired. I'll listen to it and I'll read it with respect, because I try and read every comment that comes my way. But we as South Africans need to drop this. It really is. We are one South Africa, and we need to fix the wrongs of the past. And we can't allow this hurdle of illegal immigration to stop that progress. And we've made huge progress as South Africans. We've united in a country where we should have been at civil war before the democratic elections. And we have joined together as one. And it's not only sport that brings us together, like Bafana Bafana, the rugby team, the cricket team, Banyana Banyana, and many other South African teams. But it's the striving for success and for us to be a country that we will be proud of. We're going to leave this country for our generations, and we're going to leave it the way we want to see it. So please, don't, and to you journalists who criticize Jacinta, criticize March on March, criticize all of us. There's nothing to criticize. We are not xenophobic. But if you want to call us xenophobic, then that's up to you. I'm okay with it. I know we're not. Afrophobia, xenophobia, whatever you want to call it, it's not what we are. We are true South Africans looking for a proper, prosperous, healthy, and vibrant South Africa, where all can come and visit with the relevant documentation. Solutions. Stop criticizing. You can blame and you can look for fault and you can carry on and do all of those things and whine and moan and complain. That's not the solution. Solutions start with implementation, and that's what we're doing. From my family to Jacinta, Bagelo, Tagati, excuse me, and all the other boots on the ground, we thank you. Peace, South Africa. Right.
Wow.
What?
That's a mouthful.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Guys, it's so easy bulala muntu lomnyama eSouth Africa mnike njena kudla ayisombolele wena nawa ma-Pakistan or ma-Somalia or yini kona loku kunika bantu kudla kwamahala nema-drinks bayathatha njengoba sibabona bagqwele laphana bayaphaka baphaka kudla kwama-Somalia, and people are just asking themselves ukuthi kanti bantu base-South Africa babanjani labantu kuthiwa bahambe kuthiwa bangathengi ititolo tabo, but they still continue nokuthenga ititolo tabo. Abagcini nokugcina lapho bothatha kudla kwabo lokuphekiwe bayakudla. Is this because of poverty lekhona eSouth Africa, ihunger or kwendakalani? I don't know. Most people are very disappointed and shocked after seeing this video. Naba bantu bathatha kudla kwamaSomalia lokuphekiwe baya kokudla ekubulala umuntu omnyama nkosi yami kusimple umnike nje ukudla. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.